Today, I'll be teaching you a folk dance named Tiklas. Let me first introduce to you the brief history of Tiklos. This dance refers to a group of peasants who agreed to work for each other, and indeed, Tiklos, also known as Pintakasi, which means bayanihan. It was originated in Leyte. Dancers are dressed in their working costume, and this dance was divided into two parts, A and B. The count is 1, 2, or 1 or 2 to a measure. In doing the dance, the hands of the boy placed behind the waist, and of course, for the girl, hold their skirt. Figure 1. Heel, toe, change step, heel, toe, change step, change step, change step, back, 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 and back. You're doing great! Let's proceed to figure 2. Cut step, galop, 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 cut step, galop, galop, and galop. Very good. Let's proceed to figure 3. Change step, hop, sway, change step, hop, sway, 3 step, turn, point left foot, 3 step, turn, point right. In doing the figure 3, you must follow this clap pattern. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Let's do it with a clap. Change step, hop, sway, change step, hop, sway, 3 step, turn, point, 3 step, point, right. Excellent! Let's proceed to the last figure, figure 4. Step close, jump, 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 and jump. Step close, jump, 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 and jump. Finally, are you able to remember the figures from 1 to 4? If yes, let's try the steps from figure 1 to figure 4 without music and do the countings. After that, let's try the Tiklos folk dance music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After all the figures I've presented, you must give 2 repetitions to match each accompaniment.